All right, guys, welcome back to the Tutor Learning Center. This is JD Tutor, and I'm here to teach you more about y equals mx plus b. All right, let's look at this particular one. There's something I want to kind of get to, which is the main point of the video, a little bit further down the road. But first, let's write our formula. Y equals mx plus b. There's always a formula. If there isn't one, ask for it because there always is one. All right, so let's look at this problem. Does this problem mirror our y equals mx plus b? X plus y equals negative 15? No, it doesn't, does it? So, but we have to work our problem through algebra to get it to mirror the y equals mx plus b. All right, so let's do that. One thing is standing in our way because we have the y here. The y's there. Okay, the equal sign, and then the uh, y-intercept, which is your b, right? That's right there. The only thing standing in our way is this x right here. We have to eliminate this to get this y by itself. Let's do that. Let's do inverse operations. And then minus x. And the elimination method right there. Okay. Let's see, y equals. All right, so this still is not in standard form. Let's put it in standard form. See, this x has to be over this way, right? And this 15 has to be over this way. So let's look at this. Negative x, carry over your signs. When you're switching this over, my students always try to change the signs. I don't know why, but they always try to change the signs. When you're switching that over into standard form like this, do not change the signs. Be careful of that. It's a common mistake apparently. Okay, so does this look like our answer? Yes. Does this look like our y equals mx plus b? Y equals mx plus b. Oh, well, not quite. You're going to say, but the slope is gone. The slope is gone. What do I do? Which brings us to the main point of this video. The slope is not really gone because if you remember, there is a silent one here and a silent one here. Anytime a variable is by itself, it's not really by itself. It's got a silent one in front of it, right? So let's do this. How do we get our rise over 1? In this case, this is a negative, so that means a downward slope, right? How do we get our decrease over 1? Remember, if you want to turn a whole number into a fraction, put it over a 1. That's right. You can put the 1 over a 1, right? Guys, I'm just showing you the long way around, but you know, your teacher's going to be taking all kinds of shortcuts. So they're not even going to cover this. That's what I'm here for, to help fill in the gaps. All right. So the technical stuff, right? So 1 over 1. All right, let's look at this on the graph. I'll bet because this is going to be a negative 15. So we know this is a negative. It's going to give a downward slope. This is a negative 15. This is going to be way down in maybe all the way down in maybe quadrant 3. All right, let's find out. Yep, there we go. It is. It's all the way down in quadrant 3 here. You can't even see it. So what we'll do is we will make our own graph. Okay. And we're going to do, let's just do the negative ones. Okay. Let's see, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, all the way down, -7, 8, -9, -10. Keep going. -11, -12, -13, -14. Way too long for this video, guys. Sorry. All right, -15, but you get it. This video is actually for mainly for my students, but put it on the internet for you guys. All right, for everybody else. All right, so let's look at this. -15 is our y-intercept, right? All right, so we're only going to focus here in quadrant 4. All right, so here we go, -15. We're going to label that. Now let's go for our rise over run. Or in this case, our decrease over run. So we're going to actually decrease this down to 16 and go over. 16 is not listed, but we're going to go over we can list 16, I guess. All right. So we're going to go down and over. All right, down and over. Don't dot right there. But now you can dot right here. All right. We'll dot about right there and draw our line. Down 1, over 1. All right, guys. Sorry if that was a little tedious, but you get it. All right, guys. So that's what happens when we cannot find, when we have apparently what it appears to be no slope, but there really is a slope there. All right, guys. That's it. On to the next video. Thank you for watching.